So we've just got a small glimpse here as just far as some of the main industries that we're seeing an uptick or trend in the use of
Yeah.
moving things off of a smartphone and moving it into a smart button. Talk to me a little bit about what it is that you've been seeing from the product management side as you were looking into the creation of a button that could literally go anywhere and do just about anything. What is it that you're seeing?
Absolutely. The sky is the limit in terms of imagination and different use cases. And what you see here is 6 selected areas where we see our customers actually deploying different buttons. The first one is personal safety. That can be especially relevant for lone workers. And for them, with the push of the button, they can initiate an emergency call. They can use a smart button as a panic button. They can use it for a security alert, and you can program the different button click types with different actions. One click can trigger the call of a number, another click can trigger sharing your location, and for instance, an extra long click can trigger a loudspeaker somewhere close by.